At the age of 51, Wu Guochang is a well-known silversmith in the town of Shudong. He comes from a family of silversmiths, continuing a tradition of crafting the distinctive silver jewelry worn by Miao women. Throughout the year, the Miao celebrate many festivals. Miao girls dress up in jewelry and parade through the village in an extraordinary procession of silver. Gathering by the river's edge, shimmering from head to toe, they dance in step to the beat of a drum. From a distance, they look like rippling waves of silver. There are more than a dozen different processes that go into the making of Miao silver jewelry. First, the silversmith processes silver ingots into strips, wire and plates. The silver is then hammered in a mold and engraved with details. Finally, plates are welded together or bound with wire. Wu Guochang learned each of these processes from his father. As a child, he would help out in the family workshop after school, gradually learning all the techniques to become a master silversmith. Even after a piece of jewelry has been made, it still must be polished. To do this, the silversmith heats the silver with a blowtorch until it is glowing hot, then quenches the hot metal in an acid bath, repeating the process until the silver shines. Once it has been washed and dried, the finished product will exemplify the skill of the craftsman. The intricate patterns engraved on the jewelry draw on traditional symbolism to illustrate Miao legends and the intertwined relationship between people and the spirits of both nature and their ancestors. The heavier the jewelry, the more beautiful it is. In the epic poem Yangasha, the heroine wears a silver necklace that shone like fire, with bracelets like two silver dragons flying around her wrists. For countless years, the Miao have worn silver jewelry. They have carried it with them on great migrations and worn it to ward off evil or attract good fortune. The art of the Wu family is not just the crafting of silver jewelry, but also the expression of the exuberant love of life that characterizes Miao culture.
急忙忙的讲，你学起来是不是？很忙啊。
把车他没太肥的麻烦，这叫不推到。看可以的。
我洗发了嘛，没事。那我好长的都，我还没杀呢。
比较呢，比较要好
吃的。那这一年杀了吧？要么那的杀锅呀，么那是好，这火锅呢，那都杀了吧？
啊呢，你妈的看。大妹就没包，小妹就没包。
这香黑一大多嘛呀？